Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share one thing unique which is available in our that computers, and mostly that computer is laptop. Almost all the laptops they come with that facility, but I'm sorry to say that actually that facility is not available on desktop. So that facility is how to use camera. Almost all the laptops they come with inbuilt camera, so how to take pictures using our that camera and how to take video, it's very simple. So let's go for that. The first way to open that is that camera of our laptop is here. Type here camera and press enter. So camera opened, we can see here. So this was the first method. Second method, click start menu, and there we can see, as you scroll down, we can see camera here. Just press it here. Opened, we can see here. Third method, it is very fast, quick. We can see here, press Windows R. We can see here, run. Type there Microsoft.windows.camera and colon, and after that press enter. If you don't type here colon, then it will not work. So what you do there, type there Microsoft.windows.camera then colon, otherwise it will not work. Then press OK. So we can see here camera, it opened here, and after that actually we can take some pictures. So pictures taken here. Here is picture. Once again, picture taken here. If I want to take video, here is, press it. It is being recorded. So if you want to pause, you can take which is here, like pro mode or framing grid, square process, golden ratio, rule of thirds, quality of photos, and time lapse. Means if you want and it goes on taking photos and the videos until you press same camera again. So I'm going to show you practically. Okay friends, I was talking about this. So time lapse, it means the delay of your that snap or the delay of the video recording. So I want to show you practically here. And all of those are photo quality. You want to have video quality, mostly as more you have that fps, frame per second, and the more quality will be there. Suppose here is timer, again pictures in the interval of 2 seconds, but suppose I want to stop it, I have to press it here, it is stopped. So this is called timer. And one question is that actually the snaps, the video we have recorded, taken, actually where is that is stored? So actually it is stored. Let's go to my computer. There we can see pictures, and inside picture we can see the camera roll. Just open it, so we can see all the pictures and all the videos are stored here. So this is how you can work with camera of your laptop, but actually this camera is not available on that desktop. So if you want to use it on your desktop, then do one thing there, on your desktop, by install that external camera separately, and after that it's ready to go. So I think this video it was useful, helpful for you to use how to use record, snaps, etc. And I also hope that you have already subscribed and thus you are waiting for some new videos in near future. Thank you, take care, and goodbye.